Shalom Lechem. I'm very sorry that I'm not able to be with you today to celebrate the 96th conference of B'nai B'rith Israel. Now, you're meeting in the shadow of the horrific events of October 7th, and while the IDF's defensive war to defeat Hamas continues in Gaza. But you should know that no organization in our community has a continuous record of accomplishment since 1888, as you do. We're proud of your many projects and programs serving those in need, most recently those displaced by the events after October 7th, and which promote Jewish identity, education, and continuity. B'nai B'rith Israel is an indispensable part of our international affairs activity. Thank you, Mano Cohen and Ilan Shchori, for all the important work that you do. And also, thanks to Micha Natan and to Danny Gratz for all that you have accomplished, and to each of you, the members of B'nai B'rith Israel, for being role models in volunteerism. So wishing you a hearty Mazal Tov. Here's to many, many more years of success and accomplishments for B'nai B'rith Israel.